Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing just a ton of these cases. This is all from Supcase. Thank you for sending all these cases out for the iPhone 13s. I requested the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro. I will be unboxing both soon once they come out. So we have three different categories. We have the Unicorn Beetle Pro, the UB Style, and the UB Edge. All right, so we're going to start off with the Edge series. We have the Edge Black. So I believe this is a new style. So here's the Edge Black. This is a one-piece case. You'll see what I mean in a minute on that. We have an aluminum feel and look on the edges. Supcase right here. So we do have dummy units here, so we're gonna go ahead and model them. All right, so this is the black variant, and on the back it's all clear. You got the edges, which are nice. It's a clean industrial look. You have some razivity on the screen. You have razivity on the cameras as well. A lot of room for the cameras too. So that is also good on slamming your phone. Buttons are nice, responsive, and clicky. You have a ringer cutout, really easy to access that. As well as your charging port, you get a good amount there. So it doesn't matter what type of cable you have, and really good cutouts on the speakers. Next up is the Edge Pro in black. So this is a two-piece variant. As you can see, this is what I mean. So you just have it in two layers. Now this will be a little bit better protection on your phone because it is a two-piece case. So you just insert the top first and you just drop it in place. There's the case. As you can see, very similar look. It's a little bit more bulkier because you have a little wider aspect on that. Buttons pretty clicky, very responsive. This does have a built-in screen protector, so it has cutouts for your camera and sensors, as well as the speaker on top. But this helps out with the screen, so it really has a lot of protection on the screen and a lot more protection on the camera, since it is a harder plastic for the TPU. And finally, we have the peach color on the Edge. Now this is the two-piece case. So you have a gray accent on the outside for the trim, as well as the back side as well. And the border is a pink/rose gold type of color. Looks really nice. So same thing, insert the phone screen, and then you use the bottom piece and just slap it in. That gray trim actually throws a little bit of better look to it, because I think if it was all this one solid color, it wouldn't look as nice. They do have more colors available, and they will have more in the future, but this just looks really, really good. You can be the judge for it. Next up, we have the Edge series for the Pro models. So let's go ahead and get at the dummy unit. So this is the 13 Pro. Those are big camera bumps. Same exact size, obviously 6.1 inch. Also, if you do have an iPhone 12 and you're planning on using like one of these cases for the iPhone 13, they will not fit. Same for the Pros. None of them will fit. They're not compatible. All right, so first up we have the bluish, and this will match with the Pro series. So if you got that new Sierra blue, this case is going to be really good for you. So this one is a two-piece case, but I believe they'll have a one-piece case style of it. But that's what it looks like. It's a two-tone blue, but it matches really, really well, especially the borders. All right, so this is the case. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Got cutouts and everything for that. Branding on the side. Really good buttons on here. The ringer, you have access to the ringer as well. Cutouts for your sensors and camera, as well as your speaker. Nice, really good lip on the camera as well. So you got really good protection on there as well as the screen. If you want to take out the screen protector, it's really easy. Just get an X-Acto knife or a knife and just cut out the edges when your phone's not in there, obviously. So yeah, that's one of the new colors. I will feature these cases on the unboxing. I'll use my personal favorite ones, and you'll see it in that unboxing video, which by the time you're watching it, you can click on the iCard to watch my unboxing. Next, we have the Edge in black. So this is a one-piece case, and I'm pretty sure they'll have the one-piece case in this blue variant soon. So this one just a lot more slimmer profile if you want that box feel, like a thin case kind of. This is going to be a really good case for you. The Edge mimics the actual design of the phone, so you won't actually lose, so you won't have to change it to curvature again. Buttons, cutouts, button. You got a cutout here. So yeah, really, really good, especially on the black. Love that clear back. So you get to show off your color on the back. Finally, you have the Edge Pro in black. Two-piece case again, hence the name Pro, since you get more protection on it. But it's not the maximum protection that you can get on this brand. All right, so that's what it looks like. Same deal, black color, really, really nice. So that's for the Edge series for both the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro. Now we're gonna move on to the style cases. These are my personal favorite because obviously hence the name style. These go more for looks rather than protection, but still give you a good amount of protection. So we're gonna start off with the 13. So we're gonna go with the peach. This one matches really, really well with the new pink colorway for the iPhone 13. So here it is. This is a two-tone pink. So you have a kind of like a hot pink or like just a normal pink and then a lighter pink or a peach in the inside. I actually really do like this.
Something I found on the web.
But yeah, even those accents on the buttons, two-tone, I love this colorway. It's really nice. Very vibrant. So for the ladies, definitely get one of these. So this is a one-piece case. They probably do have a two-piece case if you're interested. So as you can see, pretty slim overall. Doesn't give a lot of thickness to it. Looks really, really good. Actually, it looks really good on this black colorway too for the iPhone. Good amount of coverage as well. You do have a lanyard cutout as well if you wanted to put, obviously, like a string or something like that. These buttons, man, I love these accents. It's super easy to change them out. So if you're a girl and you have multiple cases, this UB style are really easy to switch out. Next up, we have the black UB style. So this is a more traditional one. It has a black with a gray trim in the inside, and it has gray buttons. Just a two-tone finish to make it look a little nicer. Pop this in, really easy. Oh, that's for the Pro. All right, pop this in. So it looks really, really nice. Even that two-tone finish, good amount of resivity. Doesn't add a whole lot of weight, surprisingly. So you can lay it down on both sides. It will give you good protection on that. So this is not meant for heavy dropping. It's meant for everyday use. So you don't have scratches, scuffs on camera or screen. Really, really nice. I love this design and look. All right, and finally, we do have the clear series. So those people that want to show off the color and their phone completely, just get one of these cases and you'll be good. These ones, obviously, like most clear cases, they tend to yellow. These ones take forever to yellow. It's nearly impossible. By the time you get a new phone, it'll start to yellow. So this is the case. It's like a crystal clear. It looks really shiny and nice. It's a gel skin. So if you like gel or don't like gel. Doesn't have too much flex though, because the back is plastic. But you do have like a frosted clear in the inside here. Frosted buttons, really cool. They feel really good. They have a smooth texture to it as well. The rest of this is a glossy. Right now it doesn't get that many fingerprints, but in the long run it might, so take that into consideration. And on the inside, I can tell that there is some grip. There is some grip on the inside and just like for helping the impact if it does fall. Corners, it does have little bumper protection as well. So if you do drop it on the corners, it'll help. So really well protected case. Next, we're gonna do the 13 Pro style cases, starting with the black variant here. Two-tone case, like I said before. Get really good resivity on both camera and screen. Overall, really good look. Next, we're gonna go to the clear case. Same thing on this. I'm actually gonna really use this for a while because this one is a nice clear case. One of the best looking clear cases I've seen. Popping it in, really simple to put in. That's what it looks like. It looks really, really nice. It does really flash in the colors. You'll see on the 13 Pro unboxing what it looks like with this case, but I really, really like it. Really nice coverage, 360 protection. So that's the style cases. Finally, we have the Unicorn Beetle Pro Series, which is the max protection you can get on any phone. This is the best protection on the market for Amazon or anywhere. 100% recommend it if you really want to protect your high paid investment. Get one of these cases. Now they have many colors available. They have black, red, blue. Now this blue will match pretty similarly to the new blue, the Sierra blue. So we'll see how that goes. Starting with the 13. So we're just gonna take all these cases out first. So it does come with, each of them come with holsters here. So if you wanna use it on your pants or anywhere else, and you can go and put that there. They also give you an installation guide if you don't know how to put it in for the first time. You can go and look at this. So each of these cases do have kickstands. They're a little bit harder to get out once they're brand new, but over time, it'll be way better. It does have a honeycomb pattern in the inside, so it helps with the protection. That way it's not fully hollow and it'll be really good. So it's really sturdy. You can wear it vertically or horizontally to watch in any position. And all of them have that as well. They do have rubber feet as well. You can see here. So when you lay it on the surface, it won't move. You have the textured button here, as well as textured sides. So you have really good grip on that. These are mainly for the butterfinger people. You have buttons here, a little bit of a indent for the volume up and down. Right here you have a little flap for your ringer, as well as the bottom you do have a flap for your charging port. You do have cutouts for your speakers as well, and this Pro series actually helps out the speakers a little bit. It amplifies it a bit more, which is pretty nice. Since these ones are a little bit harder to put in the case, I'm just going to show off one of them, and I'm going to be doing my favorite color first. We're going to demo only one for now, since these take forever to open up. All right, so it's a two-piece case. You got a nice metallic red on the inside, and then just drop it in. All right, that's what it looks like. As you can see, this has the maximum protection. So you have like a dual layer protection here, as well as a dual trim. Both are really, really good. This is the best protection you can get. And this right here on the back is a metal, so it'll help with impact as well. It does have a little bit more weight to it, and it does make it a little bit more thicker. But once again, if you want that protection, this is the best you can get. All right, so here are the three colors. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and do the blue one this time. Drop the phone in. By the way, the buttons do feel really good, and obviously you have those protection ports for dust and water for your important things. Really, really nice. That's what it looks like. So you're only gonna really see the camera portion of your true phone's color. All right, and these are all the cases. This is the whole lineup here. So we have the 13s on the left and the 13 Pros on the right. UB Pro, UB Style, Edge, and then for the Pros you have the UB Pro, Edge, and UB Style. Really nice cases overall. I highly recommend you guys pick one of these up. Links are in the description for each category and each phone, so there'll be a total of 6 links. I'll split them up and make them more organized so you can go ahead and pick which one you want for your iPhone 13 if you get one. Now, if you do get one and you don't have enough money for another case since you spent a lot on the expensive phone, I will be doing a giveaway on this. Link will be in the description for my Instagram handle, or you can just search it up, eli.uli, and you can go ahead and find out information on there on how to enter to win one of these cases. Firstly, stay subscribed and comment down below your Instagram handle. That way I know that you actually did the following steps on Instagram to be able to win one of these cases. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. If you did find this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one.